Govindas urges farmers to increase production of indigenous fish to meet the threats posed by fish imported from Myanmar. 6 die while 7 others sustain injuries as a Centro car rams into a crowd of people near Babu Bazar in Thoubal. Chauba says Gai Khangam should resign or Chief Minister should remove him. And Shanghai Asian Film Festival will be part of the Manipur Shanghai Festival this year. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Laithangma Monica with the top stories. Fish Fair cum Fish Crop Competition 2015 was held at ISBT Kuman Lampak Complex organized by Department of Fisheries, Manipur. Around 100 fish stalls were opened this year displaying various varieties of fish brought from different districts of Manipur. This year too, indigenous fish like Ngaton, Pengba, Khabak were made available to the people especially for the festival. Apart from the indigenous fish, katla, roe, mirgal, common carp, silver carp were also made available. A book titled Manipur Fishery Profile was launched today. Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthausam speaking during the function said Manipur requires 40,000 metric tons of fish per annum. He said the state is able to produce only 30,000 metric tons of fish, and to meet the requirements, fish are imported from Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and even from the neighboring country Myanmar. The minister said the state must gear up and meet the fish requirement as the fish from Myanmar will become a threat to the local fish farmers once Trans-Asian Highway becomes functional.
ꯔꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯉꯥꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯕꯥꯔ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯐꯦꯛट ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯜꯐ ꯁꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯟट ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ 9500 ꯃꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯣꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯖ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯕ.
Fisheries Minister Mohammad Abdul Nasir said to help the fish farmers of the state, he will approach Chief Minister to establish a dedicated fish market.
Honorable Chief Minister Gatana Jaraga, Manipur permanent over fish market ama, in the senior Honorable Minister Ibani, can request Oraga, Ekoi Manipur Mamasi Tamnanava, Impalki Greater Impalki area Sida, Tamnanava, Ngana Maruena, Ipung Pudding Maxi Nava State Tida. Pambatan na thana bayadra badu mafam amanina ikoi namasi kana taksin jage miyam punam nasu cooperation pibig.
People belonging to all walks of life visited the fish fair cum fish crop competition. Many people appreciated the fish fair but complained about the location and the traffic congestion.
Fazana tausi hairagadi lampaksida fazaba mafam amda sillaga ko moisi yombam khangjagadaba nga thare thabam ju khangjagadaba adu sunatre lei doina kadai no yondoina taujariba mi sing laksariba wan la iba mayamse fazana bhau phambam khangdreba
hakumga kumsiga je hakumna kumalam barka tawbone kumsina sigi bus terminal haigadra sida tawbone nga yombe kitang nungai wala lampak nata mina ko Zagi like took like sin gari maktasu gari ki melagi people na tasalakpa mate makitang akoy da nuwajada bahitare mabung mapasing na sahi magi lakpa asida haraok tayam na sak samina ba punsinung sangba nungsi chana na tangdu laitana lamina na bagida makta wena ngasi mela singa balak.
People across the state have come to buy different type of fishes at the fish fair held at Kuman Lampak complex. Most of them had to face massive traffic jam on the way. With camera person Aribam Nishi Sharma, this is Tensubam Ranita at Kuman Lampak complex.
At least 6 persons were killed while 7 others were injured in a road mishap last night around 1 at Thoubal Kiam Babu Bazar on National Highway 102 Imphal More Road. The accident occurred when a Centro car rammed into a crowd of people who were enjoying a gamble lagao, killing 3 of them on the spot. 2 of the victims died on the way to the hospital while the 6th victim succumbed to his injuries in Seja hospitals at Langol this morning. Among the 7 injured, 2 are admitted in RIMS, 2 in Raj Medicity, 1 in Seja hospitals, 1 in Noor Hospital Thoubal and another in Advanced Hospital. Police have arrested the driver and seized the vehicle. The driver of the Centro car has been identified as 28-year-old Mohammad Riaz Khan, son of Haider Khan of Soramayai Lekai. He is a rifleman posted at Laimakong Army Camp. The accident occurred when he was returning to Laimakong after dropping a friend at Kangabok. He told police that he suddenly dozed off while driving and the accident did not occur due to brake failure. Those who died in the mishap have been identified as Kundong Bambabu, 55, and his wife Tombi, 53, Mutum Manihar, 52, Sinam Akashini, 48, Maimom Sunil, 47, and Akoijam Bablu, 28. The injured are KSH Priyobata, 29, Lisam Naucha, 26, Mutum Api, 26, Tonjam Romeo, 21, Sinam Oken, 45, Sinam Aboy, 23, and Mutum Robin, 33. The condition of Sinam Oken, who is admitted at ICU at Raj Medicity, is stated to be critical. Governor V. Shanmuganathan has greeted the people of Manipur, especially the married women, on the occasion of Ningol Chakouba. In his message, the governor said the festival helps in keeping the social fabric intact. He said it is a very positive development that other communities have appreciated the ethos of this festival. Chief Minister Okrami Bobby Singh also greeted the people on the eve of Ningol Chakouba festival. In his message, Chief Minister said Ningol Chakouba is one of the grandest festivals in Manipur. Bobby said, let us imbibe the ideals with this festival to foster the spirit of amity, harmony and goodwill in our lives. Manipur People's Party President N. Sovakiran greeted the women of the state on Ningol Chakouba festival. He wished that the festival will strengthen the bonds between sisters and brothers.
Ningol Chakouba sidi ekogi Manipur dagi haujaba ekogi indigenous festival oiba masigi demaktani ekoina miyamgi mamangda prithibigi miyamgi mamangda chauthokjariba hariba kumei se ekogi thangnariba Nagasing, Asamising, Mizosing, Tripurising da Santokiduna, Mabung of Passingi, Mase Masal Singi Marakta, Lainariba, Nungsi Marisi, Hena Pagalangani Haiba, Wakalonda, Sahi Kudingi Pauto, Sautoknaba, Hena Santokinaba, Manipur People's Party, Maikaidagi, Messias as a Pizari, thank you.
Major General V.S. Srinivas, IGAR South and all ranks of Assam Rifles also wished the people on Ningol Chakouba. In the message, they said the age-old tradition of Manipur will reinforce the unique significance and primacy accorded to women in Manipuri society and encourage them to strive for peace and prosperity in the state. Rajin National Union has also wished the people on Ningol Chakouba. It urged the people to celebrate the bond between daughters and parents, brothers and sisters, and not to give emphasis on the gifts. KCP Poirai Meitai has also sent Ningol Chakouba festival greetings to the Manipuri women and wished that the festival will strengthen the bond among the communities living in the state. Imphal East Police today celebrated Ningol Chakouba on the campus of SP Imphal East at Porompat. Several married women of Imphal East district participated in the celebration. Imphal East Police presented them with gifts. A woman attendee said such celebration will improve the relationship between the people and the police and it will help in curbing violence.
Imphal East Police Station da Ningon Mayam Mama Kana Lejadraba community shuna Zat Bizat Kaidana Porompat Ladiba SP Asina Equa Imphal East Oina Ningol Obi Equa Mayam Sakova Zia Equena Imphal East Ladiba Police Station Buakwen Hanana Tagatsari Atopa District Kaudragasu Imphal East Equagi Nushiraba Ladiba Police Personnel Mayam Zina Equabu Sahi Kudingi Mari Rakshuba Oina Handak Zakawi Adubu Aquaja Punchi the Zakova Sazadriba Misak Amani Aquaji Asikumba Taba Asi Matung Dasu Amuhena Sauna Kaubangam Naba Oira Sanu Hiraga Equena Police Mayam Zu Equena Jaipa Maningol Obi Equi Mayamna Jaipa Mangol Pizari.
Volunteers of All Manipur Manpower Upliftment Center today cleaned the Khwaramban Gate Hill to mark the completion of the year-long economic self-reliance program. They cleaned the Uttrasang Lane in the Kangla Hall and the surrounding areas in connection with Ningol Chakouba festival. They also greeted the women of Manipur on Ningol Chakouba. Ningol Chakoba festival being celebrated tomorrow is awaited by many people with great enthusiasm. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons at Tera Bazaar will be organizing Ningol Chakoba for the third straight year tomorrow. Today at a press meet held at Yumnam Lekai, Joint Secretary of the Center, Oinambir Kumar says the festival is organized with an aim to include disabled people in the festive occasion. He said disabled persons are often sidelined in our society, and to change the mindset of the people, Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons is celebrating the festival. He said the organization welcomes all disabled sisters and mothers of the state to take part in the festival tomorrow.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯗꯤꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯕꯜꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯉꯝꯖꯔꯣꯏ ꯈꯣꯠꯆꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯕꯜ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯛ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯅꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯏꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯏꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯨꯁꯂꯤꯝꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯇꯤꯌꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯀꯕꯨꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. BJP Manipur Pradesh President T.H. Chauba has categorically stated that Gaikhangam should voluntarily resign or the Chief Minister should remove him from his government. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, T.H. Chauba asked whether Gaikhangam has withdrawn from the Naga Integration Agreement, of which he was a signatory in 2005. He questioned why Congress MP Thangso Baite remained silent when the issue of division of Manipur was raised. He maintained that BJP Manipur Pradesh is well aware of the hotel where the agreement on Naga integration was signed. Chauba said the frequent question raised by Gaikhangam on the framework of the Naga agreement is like asking if the Naga integration is included in the agreement.
Naga integration se handaki peace talk ki frame agreement di lere manungda kari yawbage nang haklaitana hangi base koina singnei nangna 2005 to tan ki bado handaki peace accord framework sigi manungda yawru kari no hangi si moina tali du yawbra na hangba male yawde madu di ain chawthok na hare yawsu yawbu yaroi yawsu yawrom moi manungda yawri framework tu ki manungda yawri se kana na khangni Chief Minister ga Prime Minister khangadauni ulok chawna khangdum nate Gaikhangam na hangbada ibobi na taktra mane takpidra mane Gaikhangam na khangningadi ibobi da hango.
District Magistrate Imphal West has prohibited carrying of licensed arms to Imphal West District with immediate effect until the declaration of results of Thamaiban by-election. Residents of Mayang Imphal have protested the unprovoked firing by the personnel of Mayang Imphal Police yesterday night around 9:40 at Mayang Imphal Market. General Secretary of Mayang Imphal Bazaar Shopkeepers Union Chingambam Sanjoy today told the media at Manipur Press Club that there is no law and order in Mayang Imphal. He said people have been gambling in the area for the last 2 months, but police ignored them even when complaints have been lodged. He also said when people have made complaints against the excesses committed by the police while checking the people, the assault broke out between the police and the people. Sanjoy alleged that police and VDF personnel fired more than 10 rounds, creating panic among the people. Santi Laima, mother of Tokchom Subhash Chandra, has clarified that her son was not involved in the abduction of Kangabam Braden, son of Kangabam Jadumani, 24 years, son of Kangabam Jadumani from Wangkai, Yonglan, Leirak. Santi Laima told today that at Manipur Press Club that Jadumani called out her son on the evening of November 8. She alleged that Jadumani kicked and punched her son as soon as he came out. She said Jadumani held her son responsible for not returning a Tata dipper by a contractor to him.
Jadumani gi machanupa Braden je phaba matamda ichanupa Subhash Chandra gi khujin thawang mate yawgi leti Jadumani ga Subhash Chandra ga phuna chainari ngai gi marak tanja sida civil dress ta lakpa masakti khangdaba adugumba noi ahum phangna laga blank fire tawraga ꯕꯔꯗꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯒ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯒ ꯀꯣꯟꯅꯅ ꯐꯥꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯕꯥꯁꯅ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯈꯨꯅꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯀꯤꯗꯅꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯖꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ.
Risika Sahu, who is on a tour of India carrying the message of empowering women, reached Imphal today. Risika Sahu, a teacher of the art of living, was given a rousing reception at Manipur Press Club today by AMZU and the Art of Living Manipur chapter. She began her journey on a two-wheeler from Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar, Orissa from September 14 this year. She had travelled over 20 Indian states spreading the message of empowering women. After the reception, she left for Churachandpur, from where she will travel till Delhi.
In today, there are crores of daughters are killed by parents and doctors. And second, it's lakhs of youths are in jail. I want to save both boys and girls of our Indian society and message whole India. The culture which is practicing in Northeast for girls and boys is so precious and ideal. All the Indians should follow that our Northeast culture. Sarmila ji, all the best. If your motto is for our nation and our women and our youth generation of India, then I am always with you.
Ahead of the 10th Foundation Day of Kanglei Park Students Association, one-day blood donation camp was held today at the Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit of Jenims. The blood donation camp was held on the theme Blood Donated for the Society. Around 150 members of Kanglei Park Students Association donated blood at the camp. Speaking to Impact News, President of Kanglei Park Students Association Moirangthem Laxman said they are organizing the blood donation camp to help the patients who are in need of blood transfusion. He further stated that since its establishment, the association has been organizing blood donation camp every year.
Blood donation tawagi camp masi akogi KSN hek akogi Manipur Kanglei Park ki laimai da sapong lapon bit adudagi horkanda asingwa thorom masi khunai da katholaba I haina koi mingthon jarakanda akogi thorom sing asi lep letin kasok sarani loina ngasigi asigumba thorom masida akogi KSA gi akogi thomi Chama Hembana Hazipoda Ipinaba Thungladuna Laire.
Children Cultural Meet 2015 was organized by New Era Environmental and Development Society NEEDS at Indoor Stadium in Chandel yesterday. The event was held on the theme Ensure the Safety and Peaceful Environment to All Children with CRY as the sponsor. Children Forum from various blocks participated in the cultural meet. The tribal folk dances, folk song, folk tales of Anal, Kuki, Maring and Koibu were the highlights of the meet. About 50 liters of country liquor seized by the members of Integrated Women Development Organization IWODA from different areas of Ningthaukhong were set on fire today at Ningthaukhong, Khongnangkhong. IWODA President Moirangthem Moduvala said the organization will continue its drive against liquor in the area. Shanghai Asian Film Festival will be part of the Manipur Shanghai Festival this year. Laimayum Surjakanta, who is the vice chairman of this Shanghai Asian Film Festival Committee, today told the news persons that the film festival will be held from November 22 to 29. 13 films from different Asian countries and a few Manipuri films will be screened at the festival.
Film festival ki yaujabagi pandamdi tasengna cultural exchange ni film aibasi yamna lamdamsigi amamam toin utrakasu film amana Manipugi sana launchat tradition culture si yamna laina phongdo phongami ado mapangi film chingisu akhoi lamdamsigi sinau sinde yanganba ado akhoi film su mapandi la khadiba mayam sida yangallaga akhoi film gi market sisu khara pak chawthorakpa ado gi patnamda akhoi festival si yamna ba yam kanna katan lit tawraga senjagibani ado ajiti mahi jare.
Nine Group Venture has launched an e-commerce retail rcitymarket.in today. Speaking to media persons today at Manipur Press Club, member of Nine Group Venture and well-known fashion designer Robert Naurim said the city market will provide grocery and household needs at people's doorstep in 3 hours for the people living in and around the city. He further stated that his exclusive collection of men's and women's will be available commercially for the first time exclusive in ourcitymarket.in. He said the main purpose of launching the online shopping is to give self-employment, provide jobs to others and making people aware of e-commerce and its benefits. All the products will be made available below the MRP.
Especially tongana ko ito pero zumi kara job opportunities som laani mingon na thabak piba plus isara thabak pizaba chatraga su mapan chatraga su pochai ki mabal lo pa ma gadi dum khara dum yamal pachanga sa port hen imung gi pochai leidoi tari hen dum habidi yum da dum la aga koin order toraga pot dum piba gi chance su koina ability su pizza second thing da I isai collection city it will go across the overseas like IEC market se mapan su chatna bai damak ta koina dum see websites available hun gani.
The 5th death anniversary of renowned Pung exponent Guru Yumnam Sekho Singh was observed today by Institute of Manipur Performing Arts at Mitong Lampa Community Hall in Laifam, Kuno. Attendees offered floral tributes at the portrait of the Guru as Thanil Padma Shri Awardee recalled the contribution of the Guru in the promotion and development of Sankirtan. The November edition of the Manipuri monthly journal Epoch has been released. The journal, which was first published in 2008, focuses on the culture, tradition and lifestyle of the Manipuris living in Manipur and other northeastern states. Chief Editor O.C. Mehra released the journal at Tera Kaithel. More than 4,000 copies of the magazine are printed every month.
Manipur film taujariba, art taujariba, culture lam na chen chongjaba koi maran Masen di marta, ekoi cultural ngi oiba correlation nama purong na bai pandam da chuma che phonga se khan na koi ningon chila dedicate tawra kan da koi hongjabani se phonga si pabiduna lamdam sigi culture gi lamda chen chongjaru singa thona hapiu Manipur culture gi movement ama sagamina badai koi thodang yamina si.
Manipuri digital film O Khamnu was released at Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre yesterday. The film, directed by Gogo Okram, is based on the story by Ham. Eastern Digital Entertainment Service Production has produced the Manipuri digital film. Abhinav is the lead role of the film.
Hajiki generation jida mangthar iba family values me amje akoina thainagi wari jingduda pukhatlaga adagi generation mangthar values family values me am relation me amje pukhatna ba hotna jabani amasung plant and environment isai sai khanningai selfishness na maru oidana akoina ko environment neglect torakpa adumba ju khara uchai.
Now news from the world of sports. In ISL, Northeast United defeated Chennai FC 2-1 at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Chennai last evening. Chennai though started on the right foot as Elano helped take the lead for the host in the 33rd minute. Northeast soon equalized matters after 11 minutes with Kamara scoring the first goal for Northeast United. The teams headed into half-time lock at 1-1. And in the second half, second chance for Northeast made it count as Portuguese midfielder Silas gave Northeast United the winning strike in the 72nd minute. The win has made the visitors jump to 5th position and are behind Atletico de Kolkata only on a goal difference. There are no matches scheduled today. Tomorrow, Mumbai City FC will clash with FC Pune City at D.Y. Patel Stadium, Mumbai. Names of the players of the United States Polo Association who will take part in the 9th Manipur Polo International to be held during the Manipur Sangai Festival from November 22 have been announced. The players are Jared Sheldon, Joe Selton, Pedro Lara, Remy Mueller and Peter Blake. Peter Blake had participated in the 7th Manipur Polo International. Kripsa Narimthong defeated YWC Langthabal 2-1 in a league match of the 12th L. Suniti Bala Devi Memorial Senior Women's Football Tournament at YWC Malum Ground. Manipur Police Sports Club Imphal will meet Kripsa Narimthong on the 15th of this month. Imphal West District Football Association is the host of the tournament with 3 teams participating. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Govindas urges farmers to increase production of indigenous fish to meet the threats posed by fish imported from Myanmar. 6 died while 7 others sustained injuries as a Santro car rams into a crowd of people near Babu Bazaar in Thawal. Chauba says Gaikangam should resign or Chief Minister should remove him. And Shanghai Asian Film Festival will be part of the Manipur Shanghai Festival this year.